Hello and welcome back, my friends. How are you all feeling today? If I'm being honest, I am frazzled at best, caught in a whirlwind of daily life, longing for a moment to step away from this relentless rat race. It's not always possible to completely escape what many refer to as the Matrix, at least not permanently. But there are ways that we can reclaim these moments of peace, grounding ourselves in the present and rediscovering what truly matters. Have you noticed the growing movement and trend towards slowing down and living with greater intention? People of all ages are embracing a lifestyle of mindfulness, choosing to step away from the constant busyness in favor of a more balanced, connected existence. And at the heart of the shift lies a deepening relationship with each other and with nature. Nature was created to nurture and to sustain us. It has an incredible ability to ground us, restore balance, and improve our overall well-being. Yet, in the hustle and bustle of modern life, many of us have become disconnected from it, feeling guilty if we are not busy. We feel overwhelmed, trapped in cycles of stress and exhaustion, and unsure on how to break free. The truth is, we don't have to go far to find relief. Nature is waiting, offering us a sanctuary of calm, creativity, and clarity. Studies have shown that time spent in nature generates positive emotions, enhances focus, and promotes that inner peace. Even brief, mindful moments outdoors can have a profound impact on both mind, body, and soul. And so as we welcome a new season, for us in the south going into autumn, those in the north going into spring, I encourage you to let nature be your refuge. Allow it to boost your well-being, clear your mind, and bring a renewed sense of energy into your life. I have found some simple yet powerful ways to connect with the natural world. Walking barefoot on the grass, earth, or even sand. Allowing myself to truly feel the ground beneath me. Spend time near water, whether it's a river, lake, or the ocean. The rhythmic sounds of water are incredibly soothing. Taking a mindful walk outside, leaving technology behind. Notice the details, the way that the leaves move in the breeze, the songs of the bird, the warmth of the sun on your skin. Breathe deeply in fresh air, filling your lungs with the pure, revitalizing energy of the outdoors. Soak in some natural light every day. The colours of the sunrise, in particular, are known to have a calming and restorative effect on our well-being. Taking many outdoor breaks during your workday, just 5 minutes of fresh air can do wonders to your mood and your focus. One concept that I've recently come across is grounding or earthing. The idea that connecting physically with the Earth's surface allows our bodies to absorb its natural energy. The Earth carries a negative electrical charge, and when our skin touches it directly, electrons are exchanged, potentially helping to reduce inflammation. It improves sleep and boosts overall well-being. While I only recently learned of the science behind it, my body and mind have instinctively known the benefits for years. I have always loved being outdoors and going barefoot. Given the choice between an outdoor or indoor activity, outdoors in nature wins hands down every time. My morning ritual reflects this connection. The day starts with a steaming cup of coffee, taken outside onto my patio, where I watch the sunrise and listen to the birds. I'll fill the bird bath with fresh water, replenish the feeder, and simply exist in that quiet, sacred place, absorbing it all. Barefoot, feeling the earth beneath me, I embrace the peace that only nature can provide. Nothing and no one demanding anything of me. This love of the natural world extends into my art. If you look at my photography and home decor collection, you'll see that nature is at the heart of my work. It's where I feel most at home, and I bring that sense of peace into my surroundings. My framed prints adorn my home and walls in my office as well, serving as a constant reminder of the beauty and serenity found in nature. Even when we can't be outdoors, we can still invite nature into our lives. Have you ever noticed that spas and wellness centers often feature images of forests, tranquil waters, or soft natural tones? Even the sounds that they play, waves crashing, birds singing, are designed to mimic nature's calming presence. These subtle elements help create a restorative atmosphere, and you can do the same in your own space. I'd love to encourage you to carve out intentional moments of quiet time, to step away from the noise of life and truly listen. Listen to the wind, birds, the stillness. In those moments, you might even hear the voice of God whispering to you. Whether it's 10 minutes in the morning before the day begins, or 10 minutes in the evening before bed, make it a priority. It sets the tone for the day and for your evening ahead. And if you can, extend that quiet time into a long soak in a bubble bath, surrounded by candles, with a cup of hot chocolate in hand. Well, all the better. You are worth that time. We all are. If you'd like to bring a touch of nature into your own home, I invite you to visit my Etsy store. The link is in the description. There, you'll find a selection of my nature-inspired photographs available for digital download, perfect for framing or gifting to someone special. I'm also working on adding table runners, cushion covers and placemats to the collection in the near future. In the meantime, if you're interested in these products, feel free to reach out to me directly. Until we talk again, take care of yourselves and each other. Remember, the world is waiting just outside your door. Breathe it in, embrace it, and let it restore you. Thank you for being with me today again, my friends. Till next time.